Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is scatter graphs and correlation. Correlation tells you whether two variables move together, but it does not prove causation. By the end of this video, you'll know how to read the trend and avoid the classic logical trap. Definition. A scatter graph plots paired data, one variable on each axis, one dot per data point. Positive correlation, both variables go up together. Negative correlation, one goes up while the other goes down. No correlation, the points form a cloud. No clear pattern. Key insight, draw the line of best fit so it splits the points roughly evenly above and below. Don't force it through the origin, it doesn't have to start at 0, 0. A strong correlation means the points cluster tightly around the line. Weak correlation means they scatter loosely. The tighter the cluster, the stronger the relationship. Critical warning, correlation is not causation. Ice cream sales and drowning rates may correlate, they go up together. But ice cream does not cause drowning, and drowning doesn't cause ice cream. Both are caused by hot weather. Always check for a hidden common cause before claiming one variable drives the other. Quick example. Hours studied versus exam score. Positive correlation. Students who studied more tend to score higher. That doesn't prove study causes higher scores. Maybe motivated students both study more and score higher because of their motivation. But correlation is a strong indicator and worth working with. Just don't overclaim.